Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take Log. So today in this video I'll show you how to post link on Reddit. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Reddit app. Make sure you have already downloaded Reddit app on your device. Next, click on plus icon. Once you click on it, it will navigate you to this interface. Here tap a link icon. Once you click on it, it will provide you URL section where you can paste your link. First of all, copy your link and paste here. And then tap on done button. So it will show you this kind of interface. Here you can add your title also. And then click on next button that is located on top right corner. Once you tap on it, it will show you this kind of interface. Here, select the community where you want to post this link. Let's say I want to select this community. Now, again tap on post button. So as you can see that you have successfully posted link on Reddit app. So this is how you can post link on Reddit app. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.